Yeah, good day everyone. Today I'll be taking you simultaneous equation, then how to solve it. In simultaneous equation in today's lesson, we are going to be looking at two methods. That's two methods of solving simultaneous equation. First is substitution method. Substitution method. Now, substitution method. Now, for example, if for example, if they say, let's say example one, they said solve the equation, this equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. That's equation 1. Then equation 2 is equal to 2x plus y is equal to 7. That's equation 2. Then I want to teach us how to use substitution method to solve it. Now this equation 1, look at it very well. They say 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. And the equation 2 says 2x plus y is equal to 7. Then if I want to use substitution method to solve this equation, then I will have to pick up one of the equation, then solve it. Find for the x or y. Now, in my own way, let me pick the second equation, which is this. Then I'll say, okay, I want to find for y. Now I'll say, okay, 2 in x plus y is equal to 7. Then what next? I want to get this y out of it. Then I'll say, okay, y is equal to, then I'll carry this 2x to the other side. When I'm carrying positive to the others across the equals to, then it will turn to negative. So it will become 7 minus 2x. That's already get my y. Now what I will need to do is now substitute this y into the equation. So let me choose this equation 1. I want to put this equation y is equal to minus 2x into this equation. How? Watch me and see. Now we are using equation 1 to substitute. The equation 1 says 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. That's our equation 1. Then I want to substitute y is equal to 7 minus 2x into this equation. So anywhere I see y here, I will put this one in place of it. Now see, then we say 3x minus 2, then I'll put this in place of y into bracket 7 minus 2x bracket close is equal to 5. Now I want to get x. Now I will do the board mass here. You know, when I want to solve it according to board mass, I will first solve the brackets first. Then we say 3x minus 2 times 7, that's we get minus 14. Minus 2 times minus 2x. Minus times minus will give us plus 4x. Then is equal to 5. Then after this one, then we follow Bodman as well. Then we do the needful by saying by follow Bodman to say, now we say we find the common we solve it by bringing them close together, which they resemble each other. Like now, see, 4x resemble 3x, so we bring them together by saying 3x plus 4x. Then we take those whole numbers that are likely to each other to the other side. That's will give us 5 plus 14. Now we can solve the equation easily by adding them together. 3x plus 4x, we get 7x, which is equal to 5x plus 14x. It will give us 19. Now when we reach this place, we divide through. We divide the equation by 7 in order to get x. So 7 goes here, 7 goes here. So our x is equal to 19 over 7. That's x. We get x. Our x is equal to 19 over 7. Then what we need to do here, so far we've already get x, we now put this x into one of the equation. So I will choose to put the x in equation in one of the equation. So let me put the x in equation 3 that we get, which says y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Then I will say anywhere that I see x, I will put 19 over 7. And y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 19 over 7. Now if you use calculator to solve this, it will give you 11 over 7. So y is equal to 11 over 7, and our x is equal to 19 over 7. That's substitution method to solve this one. Now if you want to confirm, you can recheck it by putting this value for inside the equation to find x. You get the answer. Then let's use eliminator method to solve it. Elimination method. Now we want to use the elimination method. That is, we eliminate parts of the equation that so that we give, like now we eliminate x or y so that we can find, if we eliminate x, we'll be able to find y. If we eliminate y, we'll be able to find x. So the equation says, the same equation says 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. That's our equation 1. And the second equation says 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 6. Is equal to 7 minus 7. That's equation 2. Let's use elimination method to solve this equation. Now in elimination method, we reason, we think. Now in order for us to eliminate this x, we must make them equal in all aspects so that we can minus, so far they are carrying positive. So let's multiply this equation by 2 and multiply this one by 3. So 2 times 3x will give us 6x. 2 multiplied by minus 2y, it will give us minus 4y. Then 2 multiplied by 5, we get 10. Then the second equation, we say 3. We multiply 2 by 3. 3 multiplied by 2x, that will give us 6x. Then 3 multiplied by plus 5 will give us plus 15y. Then 3 multiplied by minus 7 will get minus 21. Now, having arrived at this place, this kind of equation, it make it easier for us to solve, to eliminate x, which is this. If we minus 2, we say plus 6s minus 6s, we get 0. Now here we say minus plus 5, we get minus 19y. Why? Let me just solve this thing. Minus plus, and see, minus times minus will give us minus, then minus times plus we get minus. Don't forget that. That's the clue. Then going to here, plus minus 21, plus 10 minus 21, then we give plus 31. Why? See, plus minus, and we see plus times minus is minus, minus times minus get plus. So that's 31. Now finally make it easier for us. We just say minus 19y is equal to 31. Then divide through by minus 19. Then we get y is equal to minus 31 over 19. That's for y. Now we want to get x. We want to find x. We have get our y. Then let's find x. Let's find x. Now we get y to be equal to minus 31 over 19. Then we choose one of equation 1 or 2 to substitute. But I will choose equation 1, which says 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. Now I will replace this y with this. So it is 3x minus 2 into bracket minus 31 minus 19 bracket close equal to 5. Then we do the needful by making the 3x to be subject of the formula. That's 3x is equal to 5 minus no, I get it wrong. First, let's use board mass. Solve this one. Minus 2x minus 2 times minus 31 it will give us 62 over 19. That's 3x plus 62 over is equal to 5. Then we we make 3x to be subject of formula by saying 3x is equal to 5 minus 62 over 19. Yeah. And the final answer, when you use calculator to solve this, you get that 3x over 19. Then when you go further, you get x is equal to 11 over 19. So our y is equal to minus 31 and over 19, and our x is equal to 11 over 19. Let's solve some questions. Let's have some questions. The question 1, question question 1. Let's see. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 2. And also x plus y is equal to 0. Then I will use substitution method to solve this, to find solution for this question. How? Now I'll choose this equation 1 by starting. It says I will make the 3x to be the subject of the formula by saying 3x, then take 4 plus 4y to join minus 2y. Minus 2, that will be equal to minus 2 minus 4y. When plus cross equal to sign, then you become minus. That's now my x. I will now find x. We divide 2 by 3. So 3 cancels 3. That's x is equal to minus 2 minus 4y over 3. That's my x. Now, this my x temporarily, making equation 3. Now, let me substitute this equation into one of these, but I would not like to choose the equation 1 because I've already used it. Let me use equation 2. So now, anywhere I see x, I will put this equation. So instead of me putting x, I will just say minus 2 minus 4y all over 3 plus y is equal to 0. Find to this equation. Now, the equation we are going to solve it now. We multiply across 3 times. We take 3 across, just cross like this. So we get minus 2 minus 4y plus 4y is equal to 3. We take it across. Then I have small board for now. Now we've take 3 across. That we have minus 2 minus 4y plus 3 plus y rather is equal to 3. Now, what are we going to do now? See, this y minus yx minus 4y and plus y, they are common. So let's find solution to this. We say minus 4y plus y, we get minus 3y. Minus 3y. What is going on here? Yeah, minus 2 is equal to 3. Now we are getting something. Then we say we make this minus 3y the subject of the formula by saying is equal to 3 plus 2. Now here we use what they call board mass as well. When we get this equation, we now divide 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 comes to 3 plus 2. And y is equal to 2. Having get y is equal to 2, then it's easier for us to solve, to get for our x. We put it in equation 2, we say x plus y is equal to 0. And we say with our y, I will say our y to be minus 2. So we put minus 2 inside in place of y side. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. That's it. Solution. I will solve one more question for us here. Then maybe in the next lesson I will continue. Let's solve this one. X plus y is equal to 5. Huh? What happened to this marker? Oh. That's equation 1. And x minus y is equal to 1. That's equation 2. Then what I will do to make it easier for me, I will choose this one by solving it first. I will make x the subject of the formula by saying x is equal to 5 minus y. That's temporal, making equation 3. Now, I will substitute x for minus 5 in the second equation by saying 5 minus y is equal to minus y is equal to 1. Minus y, that's 2 minus 2y. 5 minus 2y is equal to 1. Then, continue. We make the 2 minus 2y subject of the formula. Then we take 5 to the other side by saying equal to 1 minus 5. Then y minus 2y is equal to minus 4. We say minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Then we divide by minus 2. Minus 2 cancel minus 2. Minus 2 cancel. That's y is equal to 2. Now, having find y is equal to 2 is very easy for us to provide the solution. So let's use equation 2, which says x minus y is equal to 1. Then we put y to be 2. So x minus 2 is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1 plus 2. X is equal to 3. That's it. But this is where I'm going to stop for today. So we'll continue in another day. Thank you very much. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.